Welcome back to school, everyone. Let's start by introducing ourselves. Oh, go ahead.
Hi, my name is Maria.
Your name is what?
Maria.
Okay, we won't have time for you to try your last name. Next student, please. Go ahead. All right, pop quiz. Oral presentations about chapter 3. Yes?
Could I please
Come on now, I haven't got all day.
use the restroom?
Okay, let's get started, shall we?
Mom, am I stupid?
You're anything but stupid. What you have to say is so much more important than how you say it, no matter what any teacher says.
But Miss Hayes.
Listen, baby, you're smart, hardworking, capable. But you need to believe that for yourself.
Miss Hayes, I'd like to give my presentation.
You missed the presentations, Maria, because you skipped class.
That's only because you keep making fun of her. We all like Maria.
What I have to say is important too. Now, I'd like to give my presentation.
Our inner voice is meant to be an important guide and source that we can trust. Yet often our inner voices get drowned out by the collection of voices we hear around us, those of our peers, teachers, co-workers, or parents. Sometimes these voices are positive and reinforce our own strong inner voice. Other times they're negative and can erode our strength. These voices can become so strong that we accept them as true. Learn to take notice of these voices and how they affect you on a daily basis. Do they build you up or do they bring you down? If it's more of the latter, ask yourself who or what may be triggering these negative thought patterns. Then find solutions such as exploring a shift in perspective or potentially eliminating those sources. Doing this takes practice, but like anything becomes easier and more fulfilling with time.